Hi, this is Scott coming to you from William Wilson Auction and Realty in historic New Harmony, Indiana. Man, oh man, have we got a great auction for you coming up this Saturday, October the 12th, beginning at 9 a.m. Let me just show you some of the highlights. Here is a Ford tractor, lots of new engine rebuilds, new rubber all the way around. Right here we have a 1954 International 110 Series pickup. Great truck to restore or put into service. Up next, a 1978 International Scout 2. Lots of extra parts ready to restore, ready to use however you would like it. Let's not forget this 1976 International Scout 2 Spirit, special edition for the bicentennial. Again, lots of extra parts ready to restore and make it your own.
Let me show you some of the things from the front counter and inside the West building. Look at this Toledo scale. We have Crocs of every size and description. I've never seen one of these. It's a Disney Magic Puppet Theater. Disney marionettes. That is so cool. I cannot tell you how many braces we have. Somewhere in the neighborhood of 15 or 20. Antique tools galore. We have an extensive model train collection, HO and O gauge. It is massive. You don't want to miss that. Abe Lincoln would be proud. Here's a nice black vintage antique top hat. We have decoys, more Crocs, railroad lanterns, more and more and more antique tools. These are things that I have never seen in one place one time. Here's a whole set of sat irons and irons. Could be a salesman sample in the original box. We have antiques, 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 furniture, smalls, collectibles across all categories. If you don't come to another auction here in New Harmony, this is one that you want to come to. Bring a friend. We are going to be selling all day. We hope to see you here, and I promise you, you'll walk away with some treasures that you haven't seen in a long time or maybe never seen in one place. I told you there are things here this Saturday that you might not see anyplace else for a long time. Cook's advertising sign, Evansville, Indiana. I've seen this in private collections. It could go in your collection. Here's another Cook's tin sign with antique cars, horse, police officer, preferred since the old days, Cook's Beer, Evansville, Indiana. We have some great Victorian, East Lake, and other kinds of furniture that you want to come and see, bid on and buy. Here's some great wall clocks, regulator wall clocks. Here's a beautiful pump organ, a barrister case that is ready to go right in your home. Don't have to do anything to it. It is ready to go. Look at this Victorian settee. Marble top tables, rolled, tucked, button upholstery. Beautiful set right here. Here's some other Victorian furniture. Original upholstery, I think it's never been touched, ready to go in your home. We have all kinds of artwork, prints, washstands, bureaus, side chairs. Here's a really nice marble insert chest. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the auction to come to find great furniture for your collection, for resale, to put in your home. It is here. 2007 Chevy Impala, just a little over 73,000 miles. We have a 2000 Mazda, just a little over 131,000 miles. And look at this gem right here. This is a 2000 Chevy Silverado, 4-wheel drive with just a little over 35,000 miles. You don't want to miss these vehicles. Whether you're restoring or looking for drivers, this is the place to find them. Could I mow a lot of grass on this Cub Cadet zero-turn radius mower? Available this Saturday, October the 12th. Also, we have a club car. I believe it's about a 4-seater club golf cart. Take a look at this John Deere quad turn mower. That's right, all 4 wheels turn to steer. And not to forget this 1971 Triumph TR6. Again, it's all there. You can put it back together and restore it just like a model kit. We have extra parts also for this vehicle. You don't want to miss this auction. October the 12th, vehicles and outside items start selling at noon. Come see us. I wanted to point out these swage blocks and hollow cone mandrels, ladies and gentlemen. Also, there are 2 really nice anvils. These things you don't see all the time. We go to great lengths to bring you all kinds of things here at the auction center in historic New Harmony, Indiana, even down to the bathtub. The kitchen sink's probably here somewhere, but here is a clawfoot bathtub. The feet are right down here. It's complete, ready to go in your home and plumb it right up. Come see us this Saturday. We've got some great beer advertising coming up this Saturday, October the 12th, here at William Wilson Auction Center in New Harmony. There's a Busch neon sign, works perfectly. Let's go down here and look at this Moosehead neon sign. Again, works all the way. Are you a Sterling beer collector or an Evansville memorabilia collector? Here's a 4-foot square, 10, great condition Sterling beer sign. Here's the Sterling Beer Girls, the bar top advertising. We have all kinds of beer advertising mirrors. Right up here, Pabst Blue Ribbon, or PBR if you're in the know, advertising lights. A couple of them rotate, as you can see. We have just a great collection of beer memorabilia that you can add to your collection or even start your collection right here at William Wilson Auction Center in New Harmony. One other thing I want to show you. Look at this beautiful baby grand piano. It's a Kimball. I'm not a piano player, I'm not a pianist, but this is a beautiful piano. Not too big, could go right in your home. You could start playing it as soon as you get it there. This is a fantastic offering of antiques, collectibles, vehicles, outdoor equipment. You don't want to miss this auction. We hope to see you this Saturday, October 12th, right here at the Wilson Auction Center. See you soon.